Hi there. So in this video, we're going to connect Visual Studio Community 2015 to Microsoft Azure. I have just opened it up. I've got no projects open or nothing. I go to Server Explorer, which on my desktop is hanging out at the left here. I'm sure you can go into View, Server Explorer, which is Control-Alt-S, get the same view. You can see here it's been a while since I've been in this, and so it's asking me to reconnect. So this is perfect, what we want to demonstrate here. Okay, so I'm going to right-click the word Azure. Now, first of all, if you're not seeing the word Azure here, then we've got an issue here, right? So connect to. So if you're not seeing the word Azure, then we're going to need to, I guess there's the Azure SDK for Azure for Visual Studio. Right, so if I do a search for Azure SDK, you can see here that there is a Visual Studio 2015 SDK. So if you don't see the word Azure in your server box, you need to get the SDK. So assuming that it's here, you say connect to Microsoft Azure. It's going to ask you for your username. So I'm just going to copy it here. So this is my username. Ask for my password, and I say sign in. And there we go. It took a second, but now I've got one subscription. If I open this, I can see into my storage accounts, for instance. Oh, unable to start storage emulator. So I can see app services, resource groups I have, web apps that I have running inside of resource groups, etc. So I've successfully connected to Azure.